Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Excessive2 and I hope you guys are having an amazing day. My car is a little dirty, so we are gonna go and clean it up a bit. My wheels are looking gray and there's so many trees where I live, so we are going to go and clean it up and we will get right into the video. Oh, and guys, I started a new channel. I'm still going to be doing cars on this channel, but I started a personal channel for myself. The first 3 videos I've posted so far is a basketball 1v1, a adventure video, and a house tour or home tour. So check that out, guys. It is Kim Lopatin is the YouTube channel. I'm going to leave a link down below. So if you guys want to check that out, if you want to do or watch some videos aside from car content, then go ahead and subscribe to that channel. But I'm still going to be grinding out this channel and making videos for you guys. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So yeah guys, while my car is warming up, I'm gonna go and clean it. Then I will talk to you guys more on this video and see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we got the car all cleaned up and it looks way cleaner than it was before. And I know what you guys are thinking, the wheels. Some of you don't like white wheels just because it is hard to clean, but when they are clean, it looks so good. I know guys, some of you hate the white wheels, but I love them and they look so clean when they are clean. But yeah, the car is super clean now and I'm happy. I might take some pictures. Yeah guys, today's video is gonna be me talking about why I haven't done any install videos for a while and why I haven't really installed much on my car. That is because you know when you have a vision in your mind about a car and it is all stock, right? So you have a vision in your mind about your car and it's all stock, and you start modding it out and piling up all these mods, these new mods, and you don't have any more to do that will please you. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say that my mods that I've put on the car are the ones that I have kept in mind for a while now, and they all please me. And I mean, like, I could get a front grille, a new front grille, but I like how this looks. Like, I like this stock OEM look on that grille. I could get a gloss honeycomb grille, but that's something I have to think about. But like, when you get a new car, you can see like what you have a vision in your head about what the car will look like in the future. And my vision is absolutely complete with this car. Like the white wheels, the front canards, the street aero kit, the air intake, all that. The engine bay is all white and the full street aero kit looks so good, and I don't want to change any of it. And then the exhaust, I finally got an exhaust on my car in the wing. But like, everything that I've installed, I've been wanting to do and I've already finished it, so I don't really know what else to install. I could eventually bag the car, but that's just not what I've been wanting to do with this car. Like, maybe another car I would bag, but with this car I've done everything that I wanted to do from the beginning, and I don't have anything in mind to upgrade it anymore just because I put so many mods into this car already. So sorry if I don't put many install videos on this channel for this car specifically, but I might do some other car content aside from install videos just because I've already completed the vision that I have in my head. I still don't know if I should go bags or not. I love the static look, and I don't know, guys. I just love having a static car, and it just looks, it doesn't look stock ride height, but it's like almost perfect flush fitment. It's just flush with the wheel well and the wheel itself, and it just looks so good. And I don't know, man. I just I don't have anything else to do to this car. Like I don't know if I want to do bags. I honestly don't. And I know some of you would want me to, and it'll look absolutely amazing. But like, guys, this is my car build. I want to do what's right for me. And this car looks absolutely amazing as is, and my vision has been completed for this car. The whole white on white look, everything that I've been wanting to do is on the car, and that's why I haven't been doing many install videos. Yeah, maybe I can do like a reinstall video for this car, just because some of you didn't see the installs that I did from the beginning, because I started the channel a little late for this car. So but yeah, maybe I can do some reinstall videos on this car, and do that so that you guys can see how everything got installed from the beginning. But yeah, every install I try to put on. I still have those 6-speed horns for behind the grill that I have not done yet, and I've been just lazy with those just because I don't want to take off the whole front bumper. And not lazy, but like I'm not really good with wiring, and I still don't know if I should do horns, white horns, with this grill, because you can't really see under it that much. It would have to be like a grill, honeycomb grill, where you can see through it. So then I can put like an intercooler, the 6-speed horns, all kinds of stuff under the grill. But you can't really see that much with this grill. I still really like the look on it though. Yeah, guys, let me know what I should do to this car next. If you guys do want to see an install, I'll think about it and maybe do it. But I don't know what else to do, man. Like, it's hard. It's hard because like you put in so much work to this car and you don't want to change anything about it. Like, look how good it looks with everything on it that I've been wanting to put on. Yeah, that's pretty much it for what I've been wanting to tell you guys in this video. The car is all clean now. Guys, look how good the car looks. But yeah, guys, I guess what I'm trying to say in this video is that the car is at its prime, and that is why I haven't really put any other mods on it and any other installs on it. But yeah, so like I said in the previous like 5 minutes ago or something, I don't know. But like I said before, let me know if you want to do a reinstall video for some other stuff, or I can just explain it to you guys in the comments down below how to install some stuff on the Veloster if you are interested. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The car is at its prime. I know we can go higher and higher. Maybe I'll think about doing that, but that is why I haven't been doing any install videos. But this channel will grow, and eventually we will be doing more install videos, hopefully on other cars, if I do get any new cars or etc. But for now, I might just do some car content with reviewing cars, maybe doing stuff with my car, driving it around, Whatever you guys want, give me some good ideas. Whatever you guys want to see with the Veloster. I might be doing some other people's cars, um, going to shows, meets, hopefully once this whole COVID thing is over. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. That's all I've been wanting to tell you guys. If you guys have been wondering of why I haven't been doing any install videos on this car, I know you guys like those just because it is informative. But yeah, guys, a word of advice for you guys, just to motivate you guys a little more about your mods and building your car. Don't listen to anyone. What they say. If something fails, of course it's gonna fail in life. But just keep moving forward from there. You don't want one bad thing to make all the other things worse. So you just want to stay positive. Don't look on the past, look on the future and the present. Live in the moment, and you don't want to put yourself down if you do fail with your car. It's whatever makes you happy. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my personal channel down below and this channel. We're just gonna get bigger and bigger from now on. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. That is why I have not done any installs on this car. My name is Excessive2, and I'm out. Bye, guys.
Meditation through the yoga.